Have you ever been using your Monese account and suddenly found yourself locked out? If so, you're not alone. Many Monese users have reported having their accounts blocked, and it can be frustrating and confusing. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why Monese might block your account and what you can do to get it unlocked. What is Monese? Before we dive into the reasons why Monese might block your account, let's take a quick look at what Monese is. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and personal loans. Monese is a popular choice for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. However, like any other financial institution, Monese has a set of rules and regulations that users must follow. Reasons why Monese might block your account. There are a number of reasons why Monese might block your account. Some of the most common reasons include suspicious activity. If Monese detects any suspicious activity on your account, they may block it to protect you from fraud. This could include things like unusual login attempts, large transactions, or transactions from countries that are considered to be high risk. Breaching the terms of service. Monese has a set of terms of service that all users must agree to when they open an account. If you violate these terms, your account may be blocked. This could include things like using your account for illegal activities or providing false information when you opened your account. Not verifying your identity. Monese is required to verify the identity of all its users. If you fail to provide the necessary documentation, your account may be blocked. Technical issues. In some cases, Monese may block your account due to technical issues. For example, if the system detects a problem with your account, it may automatically block it until the issue is resolved. What to do if your Monese account is blocked? If your Monese account is blocked, the first thing you should do is contact Monese customer support. They will be able to tell you why your account was blocked and what you need to do to get it unlocked. In some cases, you may be able to resolve the issue on your own. For example, if your account was blocked due to suspicious activity, you may be able to unblock it by providing Monese with more information about the transactions. If you are unable to resolve the issue on your own, you may need to escalate the matter to a higher level. In some cases, you may even need to file a complaint with the Financial Ombudsman Service. How to avoid getting your Monese account blocked. There are a number of things you can do to avoid getting your Monese account blocked. These include: be careful when using your account from public Wi-Fi networks. Use strong passwords and change them regularly. Monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious activity to Monese customer support. Comply with Monese terms of service. Verify your identity as soon as possible. Getting your Monese account blocked can be frustrating, but there are a number of things you can do to resolve the issue. By following the tips in this video, you can help to avoid getting your account blocked in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.